Welcome back. In our last session, we learned to spot cause and effect relationships using signal words. Today we're going to become architects of understanding. We're moving from recognizing simple chains to mapping complex systems and using this knowledge to write with powerful clarity. The first powerful tool is the cause and effect diagram, sometimes called a fishbone diagram. This isn't just a drawing, it's a structured way to think. Imagine you're investigating why a website server keeps crashing. You wouldn't just look for one reason. You'd group potential causes into categories: software, hardware, network, human error. This visual map helps you see all the possible causes leading to one major effect. But let's talk about how we use this in our writing and speaking. The goal is to move from simple sentences to sophisticated explanations. For example, let's take a simple statement. The concrete cracked. That's just an effect. It tells us nothing. A technical professional needs to explain why. So we build a chain. Because the water-to-cement ratio was too high, the concrete mixture was weak. As a result, it couldn't bear the structural load and cracked. Now we have a clear, logical, and professional explanation. Let's try a more complex, real-world example from environmental science. Listen to this cascade. Deforestation leads to soil erosion. Consequently, nutrient-rich topsoil is washed into rivers. This causes siltation, which damages aquatic ecosystems. Furthermore, the loss of trees results in reduced carbon sequestration, contributing to the greenhouse effect. This is no longer a simple chain. It's a web of causes and effects, and our language has to be precise enough to guide the listener through it. Now, let's talk about a crucial concept. When an effect loops back to become a cause, we call this a feedback loop. In economics, a rise in prices causes demand to fall. As a result, companies may lower prices to stimulate demand, which leads to sales increasing again. The effect, which is falling demand, influenced a new decision, creating a new cause, lowering prices. Okay, your turn. Press pause and try this. Think of a simple process from your daily life, like your phone battery dying. Now, describe it as a cause and effect chain. For example, you might say, I forgot to charge my phone because I was busy. Therefore, the battery drained completely. As a result, I missed an important call. Go on, give it a try. This skill is super important for writing technical reports, lab analyses, and project proposals. You need to be able to not only state what happened, but also to argue why it happened and what the consequences were or will be. So, to really master this, I want you to do two things. First, the next time you read a technical article, grab a pen and draw the cause and effect relationships you find. Just use simple arrows on paper. Second, when you write your next report, make sure you consciously use at least 3 different cause and effect signal words to strengthen your argument. You now have the tools to not just see the dominoes but to design the entire domino layout. Use this power to explain, to persuade, and to innovate.